Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and tonight I am doing a TikTok inspired cook. It's not a TikTok cook, but it inspired me. It was a TikTok video where they cut open a bratwurst, stuffed it with cheese, wrapped it with bacon, and cooked it on the, they cooked it like 3 different ways. So I don't have any bratwurst, so and hamburger though. So I've got some hamburger. Took my hamburger. I've got pepper jack cheese, and I've got green chilies. Right, New Mexico, right? We got green chilies, and check those out. So they're gonna be pepper jack cheese sticks, wrapped in green chili, wrapped in hamburger, wrapped in bacon. So what I did, I took the hamburger. I separated 1 pound into 5 pieces, so they're a little over 1/3 of a pound. Put them on this parchment paper, covered it up, flattened it out, took a rolling pin and flattened it out, and kind of shaped it big enough to be able to wrap the cheese and the green chili. So then I take the green chili, I take the cheese, and the first time I tried to stuff it in the green chili, it didn't quite work, so I ended up just opening them up and putting the cheese, wrapping it with the green chili, and then rolled the hamburger around the green chili and cheese, you know, by pulling the parchment paper, trying to keep it as tight as I can. And then I took a couple of pieces of bacon and we wrapped it in bacon. So I also I've got 2 or 3 jalapeno plants growing over here in my little quasi garden. It's a garden. I've got a jalapeno plant. Anyway, it's full of jalapenos, and I thought, hey, I'll just pick some and make some jalapeno poppers while I'm at it. Well, the peppers aren't very big, so, but I picked them anyway. See, they're only about that big. And I went ahead and I filled them with cream cheese. One of the peppers was red. I had a couple, but with the bacon that I had left over from these, I don't even know what to call them. But they're going to be eaten like a hot dog. I don't know, pepper jack cheese wrapped in green chili, hamburger and bacon hot dog. Green chili cheese hamburger bomb. I don't know. You tell me in the comments below what you think it should be called, but I'll try to name it in the title so you know what the heck I'm cooking. Once again, this is what they look like. I have 6 these little poppers. There's a red one right there. That one will probably be pretty warm. I'm gonna throw them all on. And I also, for the last 3 hours, I've had a couple of ears of corn soaking in water, and we're just gonna toss those right on the grill too. All right, so I've got my Pit Boss 1100 set at 250 degrees. I am using Kingsford. I think it's just called Competition Blend. It's kind of like the Pit Boss Competition Blend, but smokier. I used it the other day. It was wonderful. So I'm going to use it on these with the bacon. It's all going to turn out great, I hope. So stick with me. Let's get these on the grill. Let's get cooking. Okay, the way I'm going to cook these is up on this rack. Let's get these on the rack as careful as we can without burning myself. Okay, we're going to put our little jalapeno poppers over here. Let's see, we want that side up. Alright, look how small they are, but guess what? They're bite-sized little snacks. And of course, we're just going to toss our corn on the cob right in the grill, husk and all. We're going to let those cook along with all this. So I'm going to check these probably in about 45 minutes to an hour. See how the bacon's doing, see how everything's doing. I don't know how long this is going to take, so let's just run with it. And we'll see. All right, we're about 50 minutes in. Looking really good. Bacon could probably go a little more. I think I'm going to go ahead and turn these. Whew. Some of the cheese is oozing out here. It's all right. And our little poppers are doing just fine. let those roll. Our corn looks good. All right, we're gonna give these another 5 or 10 minutes. About an hour and 10 in. Look at that. Time to get those off. Ah, can't see them. Look at those. Okay. I'll take these off and let them cool down just a little bit. They're little poppers. Well, that one there opened up. That was the red one. I think I'm going to let the corn stay on for about, I don't know, another 5 or 10 minutes. Corn looks done. Yes, you want to get the husk kind of burnt, like that. All right, we'll get these in, plate them up, and go enjoy our meal. Look at these. Look at those little poppers. Think that one's hot? Okay, so there you go. Let me cut into one of these. We're just going to take it. I got this. We'll just cut it down the center and see the inside. Check that out. Man, that looks delicious. I'm going to take a roll. I bought these rolls fresh. I'm going to cut the top. So I can eat a different knife. Okay, there we go. All right, so we got the roll. I'm going to put this hot dog hamburger stuff thingy in there. I still haven't decided what to name it. Anyway, there it is. Looks delicious, right? All right, let's take a taste test. It looks good. I didn't put anything on it. I'm thinking I'm just going to put a little bit of barbecue sauce, but for right now I want to taste it. Wow, that's really good. So you get the obviously the bacon. You get the smoked hamburger, and then we get the green chili inside. These green chilies are a medium hot. They're not real hot. The cheese in there, it's probably a little further down towards the center. You can kind of see the cheese in there. With pepper jack, take another bite. All right. All right, I don't know what I'm going to call them, but there will be a name by the time you see this. Or if you want to give me a better name, I'll change the title. All right, let's bite into one of these little baby jalapeno poppers that I have out of my little garden back here. And my jalapenos, they weren't very big, but well, that's delicious, and they're not real super hot. They got the jalapeno heat. There's something about jalapeno poppers that are so good. Okay. Think of a name for me. Bacon wrapped cheese stuffed burger. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment because I want to know what you would call this. Besides delicious, that was really good. So, got some hamburger. Obviously, you don't have to put the green chili. You can just wrap the hamburger around the cheese, wrap it in bacon, and it's going to be delicious. But with that green chili, the flavor, oh, so good. All right, let's end it. I don't know. You'll see. Have a great day. Thanks for watching again. We'll see you on the next video.